Did you know that Sony cameras overheating constantly? Especially ZVE1 from Sony. 16 minutes and it's already overheating. 16 minutes. That's wow. Thermostatic Semiconductor Camera Cooling Kit. Ulanzi. In the box you will find a manual, which is in English, Chinese, Deutsch. And this is how it looks like. A little bit different than the old version, which is passing through. And has a built-in battery and a screen. Let me just... see? Cool. But the new one doesn't have a built-in battery, but it has that semiconductor cooling system, and the battery is separate. Magnetic. Like this. Cool. Check out the colors. Super cool. Ulanzi action. Alright, we need to test noise, fan noise. In order to do that, I'll have to put the microphone. That's the old one. First. And second. And with the external battery, should be a bit faster. Second. And there's also an auto mode. And if we connect my external power, it should be a bit faster. Let me put it on number 2. A different sound, better sound. Temperature testing, 25 degrees, that's ambient. Even 26, wow. 25. Whoa. Semiconductor. Oh, nicely tight, super tight. The spring is much stronger than in the old one. It's magnetic. Science! I think it also looks cool with that blue light. So after that we used like half of the battery. Okay, it wasn't charged all the way, like 90%. And I was recording in 42210 bit, which is not even a maximum settings. Maximum is 600. I'm not sure how long it will take with a 600 bit. Anyway, this is just temporary thing. I will definitely buy a new better camera. I'm just waiting for the FX3 Gen 2. Yeah, that's what I got.